Yo, welcome back, you guys. Welcome to another tutorial. Scrubby Dev here. So, I'm gonna show you guys how to make the owner base like Sammy. As you guys know, as you guys probably should have got my kit. This only works in my kit. I'm pretty sure. I don't know about Twin Places kit, but this is just for my kit. You guys can test it out in Twin Places, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So, I'm gonna put the I'll put the file in my Discord, so make sure to join my Discord. That's very important for all these types of videos. So you're gonna go to uh, you're just gonna import the file owner base. Here. Now you got the owner base right here. Wait a minute. Yeah, owner base. All right. So you're just gonna do what it tells you to. I'm gonna fix this a little bit so I can be down, just a little bit. Yeah, like right there's good. Yeah, is that good right there? No. Yeah, I think right there's good. Wait, no, because then that pops up. Let me fix this. Hold on. Okay, I think that's good right there. Okay, so it's a pretty simple tutorial. It's like replicated storage, config, just ungroup everything where it tells you to. Configuration, models, ungroup, then server storage. Do not put this in the events, just put it in server storage. Then server storage models. Not the configuration models, not that. Just models. Boom, steel system. Then you go to traits, you copy this. I think I already put it in my base, which is, yeah, let me delete that. Okay, boom. There you go. So then you can just delete that. And after that, I think it should be working. I think it should be working. Let's see. Creator base. Put it like this much. See, as you can see, it spawns. You can steal. It's gold. I'll show you guys how to what's called. I'll show you guys how to like customize it. Oh, my base is full, so I won't even go inside my base. Me. Alright, let's see that. Yeah, see now it works. If it does this, just click E or no, back out. Click E. Boom. So then, and then you sell it. It works. It collects money. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to customize it. So I forgot which one it is, but I think I can figure it out. Huh. I forgot what script it is actually. Wait, no, I remember. I remember. Oh my days, why is it laggy? Why is it laggy? Okay. Spawn. Yes, spawn selector. Go here. You can customize it right here. For example, I'll do. Wait, no. You can just copy this and then comma, enter, boom. Okay, now you can just delete that. You can just find something from your tree. It's like, I'll put this. Wait, there's moving. No, I don't think so. Okay, you can go, boom. Chicken jockey, we'll make chicken jockey 50%. Oh, no, 50. Yeah, you gotta make sure it always adds up to 100. So we'll put this at, we'll put this 30. And we'll make this 20. The reason I'm gonna put this 20 is because that's a secret lucky block that I made, and I wanna. Okay, so that's how you make things. I don't know if you can just. I don't know if you can switch the mutation. Like, what's the mutation? It can be randomized. I think it's randomized. Okay, let's see. Yeah, if my base is loaded. Wait, let me sell this. I'm not resell it. Okay. Hopefully, you guys are enjoying the kit so far. I do want to probably make a video or stream where what's called. I just like look at your guys' game. See, chicken jockey works. I just don't know why a lot of it's gold. That's something I do not know. But still, secret lucky block. Again, I think I did something to my thing where it broke the secret lucky block. Oh my days! I accidentally fell. Oh yes. Oh what the hell? All right. I think I did something to it where it just doesn't work. Because as you can see, I'm doing this. Yeah, I don't think it's working for me. But I'll just sell this one. Oh yeah. I'm gonna probably make a tutorial on how to do the secret rarity, like how to like confirm. I just don't know when though, because I'm gonna have to do some customizations to it. Chicken jockey, 15 mil. As you can see, I went to my base. I'll just grab pennies. And then yeah, that's pretty much how you just get it. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. So comment comment on my video. I'm sorry. Comment on my video or join the Discord and just let me know what I should do this. What I mean, what oh my, what I do next. Holy stutter. But I hope y'all enjoyed. So I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Again, make sure to join the Discord and make sure to subscribe, bro. Peace.